Hello, welcome to my Odoo module development tutorial. It is common for a store to have multiple salespersons, and it is essential for the store owner or manager to effectively monitor their performance. By default, Odoo does not include information about the salesperson on point-of-sale orders. To overcome this limitation, we can record the salesperson for every order. Follow along in this tutorial video to discover how to create a module for Odoo 17 that solves this problem. Now let's begin. If you have not set up your computer for Odoo 17 development, you can follow the tutorial in this channel for easy and quick steps to set up your computer for Odoo development. The link is in this video description. Launch VS Code and open Odoo folder. If you follow the tutorial in this channel, the folder is in your home directory /odoo-dev/17.0.community. First, we need a name for the module. I name it POS salesperson. Then we create the basic module skeleton, the directory structure, manifest file and init files, inside folder custom/add-ons, as shown on your screen. You can pause the video to copy it. Now create a Python file inside folder models, name it account_move and type in the codes as shown on your screen. Continue by creating another Python file inside the same folder, name it PosOrder and type in the codes. And then create one more named PosOrder in the same folder, and name it PosOrder. Type in the codes. Also create one named POS_session, and type in the codes as shown. Don't forget to include these files in the model's directory init file. Next, create a new XML file inside folder views, and name it res_config_settings, and type the codes as shown. Then create another, named POS_order_view and type in the codes. Next, create another named account_view, and type in the codes. Continue with creating a JavaScript file inside folder models, name it models and type in the codes. Remember there are two folders with the same name. The first folder inside the module folder is for Python files. For this one it's inside folder static. Next, create another JavaScript file, name it POS_store and type in the codes. At this point, all we have to do is to extend the OWL components to show the order note to POS user. Create new XML file inside folder order receipt, and type the XML as shown. Now create two new files inside folder order widget, one JavaScript and one XML with the same name. Type the codes as shown. Then create new XML file inside folder product screen with the same name, and type the code. Create another XML file inside folder ticket screen with the same name as the folder, and type in the code. Continue by creating a new JavaScript file and a new XML file inside folder salesperson button with the same name, and type in the code as shown. Our module is now ready. To use it, we need to install it first. Run Odoo with pressing F5 key, or switch to Run and Debug tab, and click the Start Debugging icon. Open browser and type in localhost 8069. Log into Odoo if you're not logged in. Go to Menu Apps. Clear the filter and type in POS salesperson to search the module. If you don't see the module, you need to update the app list by clicking Menu Update Apps List. Click Activate button and wait for it to finish. To see if our module works, go to Menu Settings and select Point of Sale. Go to POS Interface section and assign salespersons to the POS and save the settings. Continue with creating new POS session. You should see Salesperson button has been added. Add a product to PosOrder and click the button and choose one of the salespersons. Click Payment button. Choose a payment method and validate the payment. On the following screen you should see the salesperson also has been added to the receipt. Continue with closing the session. Select Menu Orders on the following screen and click Sub-menu Orders. You should see the salesperson is set for the PosOrder earlier. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like this video and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.